Hey guys, it's me. Today I'm making a video on opening on the new game Batman Arkham Knight Limited Edition for Xbox One. It will cost you $100, like mine. It comes with the game, a statue, a comic book, 52 skin packs for the game, and a Harley Quinn story pack. And a steel case book. Let's open it, see what's inside. Man, it looks nice already. So on top, they introduced us with the game case, Batman. Game case. Let's take it out. It's kind of heavy. Oh God, I can feel it. I know it's a bit hard to take out. Oh, I mean do that. Okay, on the back side, I got the steel case. Looks nice. Oh my God, it's all that. Steel case. Oh my gosh. This is, what is this? It's a book, from what I know. A book. Is this the art book? Yeah. This is the art book that comes with it. This is the Batman Arkham Knight comic. Let's see the statue. Comes with batteries. It's a statue right there. Oh my gosh, It's the statue. It is the Batman statue. This looks nice. I can remove it, but I should not remove it. I shouldn't do that. It's a cape. Here's Batman over Gotham, I suppose. Gotham City. It's a pretty cool looking statue. What's under it? Oh, use a screwdriver. Put the batteries in. Here's the batteries that come with it.